In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up your website in Godaddy. To begin, log into your Godaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is the main area where you can view and manage the services connected to your account. Once you are there, take a moment to find the website you want to back up. Next, scroll down until you see either Websites plus Marketing or Managed WordPress, depending on the type of site you have. When you find your website, click Manage next to it. This will open the dashboard for that specific site, where you can access more detailed settings and tools. After that, look for the three-dot menu. Click on it and then select Settings. This area gives you access to important website options, including your backup tools. Once you are in Settings, check to see whether your backup is already running or if it is ready. This helps you understand the current status before starting a new backup, and it can prevent confusion if a backup is already in progress. From there, locate the Backup section and click Manage. This is where Godaddy gives you the option to create and organize backups for your website. If you are making a backup before updating your site, changing content, or adjusting settings, this is a smart habit to follow. Having a recent backup can help protect your work and make recovery much easier if something goes wrong later. Now click Backup Now. Godaddy will then prompt you to name your backup. Enter a name that helps you recognize it later. For example, you may want to use something simple and descriptive so you can tell exactly when or why the backup was created. Clear naming makes it easier to find the right version in the future. Once you have entered the name, click Save. That will start the process of creating your backup. Depending on your website size and content, this may take a little time to complete, so give it a moment if needed. That is the full process for backing up your website in Godaddy. As long as you go to My Products, open your site through Manage, visit Settings, and use the Backups section, you will be able to create a backup whenever you need one. That covers everything you need to know.